Hello and welcome to the Frametric podcast. Today's episode is about something that might sound unglamorous, but quietly determines whether analytics is genuinely helpful or occasionally misleading: data validation. Because before models, prompts, or dashboards, you need data you can trust. Before you do anything clever with AI, validation is the practical layer that stops small issues becoming confident wrong answers. AI can unlock speed and clarity, but it also raises the stakes. If the underlying data is wrong, the system may still produce an answer that looks convincing. And that's what makes hallucination so risky in analytics. The output can sound certain, even when the inputs are flawed. The most dangerous failures in analytics are not hard failures. They're silent failures. Totals still add up. Charts still render. The output feels plausible. It's just wrong. That's why data validation matters. It isn't a one-time cleanup task. It's an ongoing safety layer. Data quality problems rarely announce themselves. In operational systems, especially CRMs, data quality issues are usually subtle. It might be duplicates that inflate totals, missing values that skew segments, inconsistent categories that split results, many-to-many joins that multiply rows, or changes in business rules that quietly shift meaning. Traditional BI can suffer from these too, but AI can make the risk worse because it can summarize confidently and remove the friction that used to force manual checks. Validation makes quality measurable. Clean data sounds like a binary state. In reality, the goal isn't perfect data. It's testable data. Validation means defining checks that confirm the dataset behaves as expected. For example, row counts staying within sensible ranges, keys remaining unique where they should, totals reconciling to known control figures, distributions not changing unexpectedly, joins not creating duplication. These checks are what keep outputs accountable. Treat checks as part of the product. The most effective approach is to treat validations as a living set of tests, not a one-off audit. When pipelines change or schemas evolve, you rerun the checks. If something fails, you catch it early. This prevents schema drift, and it keeps trust intact. Data quality is a governance problem. Validation isn't just technical. It's data governance, because it forces clarity on what a metric definition means, what's in scope, what the system assumes, and what must be true for an answer to be trusted. If you want analytics people can rely on, validation is where it starts. And the punchline is simple. Data issues rarely crash. They quietly distort. Validation turns data quality into a managed process, not guesswork. Checks should be automated and replayed, not performed once. And clean data isn't perfect data. It's testable data. That's it for this episode. If this topic is relevant to you, you might also want to explore related ideas like trust charters, metric definitions, evidence trails, and the concept of silent failure, all of which connect back to the same goal: making analytics something people can actually rely on. Thanks for listening to the Frametric podcast. If you enjoyed this, please follow the show. And if you know someone who lives in spreadsheets and dashboards, feel free to share it with them.